Should I apologize for leaving? Is it a crime to feel this way? I couldn't be the one to save you, but still you're leaving me the blame. Save yourself, don't be scared to get lonely. Call my name, let me be. Take a breath, say a prayer for being lonely. Don't let that all on me.
Guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new vlog. I don't know where this vlog is. I think this is a new vlog. I'm quite sure of that. I've not really done a grocery haul for you guys before, so I want to do a quick haul for you guys just for today. It might never happen, and yeah, you guys are going to say every day, every vlog Jane is always going to do groceries. To be honest, it just happens, and I just don't want to run out. So when I get the opportunity to shop, I will shop. If you don't get it, forget about it. So yes, I bought this bulb, which is an essential because the bulb in my kitchen decided to trip off on me. So I bought it from Ace Hardware. So this drink I bought because of sociology here on YouTube. So she uses this for like her juicing and all that, so I decided to buy it so I could try it out for my juicing. Yeah, that's why I bought it.
Could you blame me for leaving?
Yeah, so that's all for the haul. That's all I bought. I bought some of them in pairs, so don't think that, oh, this small thing I just showed you is what was inside that big bag. I actually bought some of them in like pairs, and I wanted to just, you know, show you guys and all that. So these are some of the stuff that I used to run my house. And yeah, there are so many things I didn't show you guys because I think a few days ago, the day Mimi came, I went shopping as well. I still have a bunch of stuff when it comes to cleaning supplies, self-care and all that, so I didn't buy those this time around. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. Today is Sunday. I'm going to quickly try to cook something. I'm trying to make pasta today, and I don't mind showing you guys. Okay, so yeah, I'm not going to do a detailed cooking as usual because I feel like they are too long and they don't really do well on my channel. You guys tend to skip, so I'll make it quickly. I'll make it short. I have beef already in my fridge, so I'm just going to bring out that to defrost so that I can cook. I'm very hungry. I don't know why I'm explaining all of this to you guys, but whatever. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we start cooking.
Leaning on my shoulder, you can keep your lonely nights. Think you're gonna be
clean that afterwards. But yeah, it's really nice jollof rice. It tastes like patty jollof, I'm not going to lie. And I made some fried plantain, and I have their fried beef.
Listen to the devil on my shoulder. It's nice.
Why is Mesoma replying to my story? What is she up to? Nonsense. Hi guys, good afternoon. I woke up very early today because I had a job to do. I've done it, I've had it delivered to the client, and then I downloaded this very nice banger and I just ate now. I cooked it, you guys, and it was bomb. Okay, it was bomb. Like, I can't get it out of my head. I think that's the best banger I've made. It's currently the best seller on GM Comida, by the way. I now remember that I had a parcel come in about 2 days ago. Ta-da! GT Express. Juicy Chicz is an organic skincare brand here in the Philippines. So if you're looking for, you know, organic skincare products, from body butters to soap to scrubs to lip scrubs and all that, they have a whole lot of package for you. It came in this little box. It's actually very pretty, nice. And inside this box comes a hairband, pretty good. Hair ruffle, just back your hair. It also comes with a candy lip scrub, and then it comes with the lip gloss that says Juicy Chicz. Okay, and then it comes with turmeric and honey face and body soap. We're about to do some skincare, baby. And then it also comes with the activated charcoal and coffee body soap. I must say that this box smells really nice. This also comes with an infused glow oil for face. It includes sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, rose hip oil, essential oil, carrot, and turmeric. Wow, I really can't wait to try this out. Let's see. Smells good though. Let's try. Can you see that glow? Like, see here and see here. Wow. You know, the funny thing is that I actually don't own a facial oils whatsoever, and I'm happy that this came in. Send them a DM on Instagram to order 1 or 2. I cannot wait to try out this amazing box. Everything in here, I can't wait. I'll try them out for about a week. I'm sure they're going to be very gentle and nice for my skin. I'm going to leave all their details in the description and also on the screen for you. The activated charcoal and coffee face and body soap has shea butter, coconut oil, activated charcoal, peppermint essentials, lavender. Then the turmeric has shea butter, rice bran oil, rose hip oil, organic wild turmeric powder, tea tree. Wow, it has tea tree, you guys, and fragrance oil. And the lip gloss is everything. Let's see. Wow. Wow, I love it. I love like the taste. It's actually very edible. Nice. And this is the scrub for the lips, so you have to scrub your lips at least every morning. So soft. Fun fact is, the owner of this brand is also a YouTuber. Her channel is Chick House here on YouTube. I'm going to leave every details about this brand in the description so you guys can check them out. Please do support your girl. This is my first PR package of the year, and I remember in my life update video I was saying, oh, I want to do, like, you know, work with brands this year, and for this one to come up, it's It's juicy, just like the name. Okay, it makes me feel good that you guys are watching and listening to me. Thank you so much for, you know, trusting me with this, and I hope that you guys go support her. Okay guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.